The Cantarito is a refreshing Mexican cocktail known for its vibrant citrus flavors and served in traditional clay cups called Cantaritos. It combines tequila with a mix of freshly squeezed citrus juices and a splash of grapefruit soda. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces tequila, preferably blanco or reposado, 1 ounce fresh lime juice, juice from about 1 lime, 1 ounce. Fresh lemon juice, juice from about 1 lemon, 1 ounce. Fresh orange juice, juice from about half an orange, 1 pinch salt. To taste, 1 splash grapefruit soda, top off the drink. To fill, ice, crushed or cubed, 1 slice. Orange, for garnish, 1 slice. Lime, for garnish. For equipment you will need clay cups, Cantaritos, or highball glasses, juicer, bar spoon, measuring jigger. Here are the instructions. Start by filling the Cantarito or highball glass with ice. Add the tequila, fresh lime juice, fresh lemon juice, and fresh orange juice into the glass. Add a pinch of salt to the mixture. Use a bar spoon to gently stir the ingredients together. Top off the drink with a splash of grapefruit soda. Garnish with a slice of orange and a slice of lime on the rim of the glass. Serve immediately and enjoy your refreshing Cantarito. The name Cantarito comes from the traditional clay cups in which the drink is served. These cups help to keep the drink cool and enhance the flavors, making the Cantarito a unique and enjoyable cocktail experience.